Here!
Hey, Aya.
Yeah, so yun, AOTD about siya kay Sam and Clyden, about arranged marriage, ganon, na si Sam pursuing modeling and si Clyden naman, as a doctor. So, napanood nyo naman yung series and matatakal din dito yung iba't ibang univerkada. Of course, yung Sia, si Hero at si Yana, yung love story din nila, paano nagkaroon ng Abby, what else? Yung kasal nila dito din mapapakita din dito yung Sean Kiera tandem na always medyo sometimes nag-aaway sila. They're not okay. Mapapakita rin dito na wala lagi si Arkin because he's busy sa at minsan lang siya pupunta dito at napahiya pa siya kay Clyden, di ba? And dito, I'm so grateful na Haya is here kahit wala siya sa mismong series, yung character niya, si Elise. Yeah, nandito si Haya. Thank you. Si Elise naman, kaya wala siya sa series kasi nandun pa sila sa stage na una, hindi pa sila nag-meet ni Sevi and yung pangalawa break sila. So, ganun.
Hey, Haya, where's your
Welcome,
camera?
Haya! Thank you for joining. Yeah, ay mahina yung internet niya, nakikita ko dito. Ayun.
Hi, my connection is so bad.
Ang galing
okay.
na, diba? Oh, na-figure out ko. That's fine.
Am I lagging?
No, it's okay.
Like super.
That's
No.
okay now.
Okay.
Okay, so before
Hey.
So before we continue, so yun yung plot ng AOTD, yun yung parang story ng bawat character. So I hope na mapanood nyo talaga yung buong series niya. You can binge watch it from episode 1 to 15 and later yung last episode. So yung tanong ni Lance kanina, ano yung tanong mo kanina?
Of all the mall tour shows that we did, which one is your favorite, guys?
Oh, you
You
answer first.
Me?
Oh, you answer first.
Of course, Davao, because it was my hometown.
Oh, okay.
That was my first time performing over there in front of my hometown audience, so it was very special to me. How about you?
Ako, madami, lahat. Lahat na lang. Like I can't choose. Si PJ.
Ako, siguro yung first show na kasama ako to promote AOTD sa Santo Tomas, Batangas ba yun?
Yung first small show ever. Haya, how about you?
For me, I would say Davao also. Kasi most of us were there, and
Almost complete.
yeah, and it felt like a small reunion because I missed you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, we certainly missed you too. Kasi sayang nga wala si Elisa AOTD, but thank you pa rin, Haya, na you still go to the shows and to the TikTok lives. Really appreciate
Thank you
it.
so much for making time. Yeah, and sa sa inyo naman, kung ano yung mga favorite na promos or mall shows na favorite mall shows niyo sa amin, you can comment it down below. Yes, so ayun, before we start the other program, may pa-program pala. No, before we continue dun sa iba nating program, we would like to extend our gratitude to everyone po na patuloy na sinusuportahan ng AOTV, lalo na itong season finale namin later. Nakakalungkot pero sobrang happy yung heart ko, yung puso ko. I'm so grateful dahil sinamahan nyo kami from episode 1 at mamaya na yung season finale ng AOTV. So maraming salamat. Diba, Lance?
Yes, tama ka dyan, Obs. And malalaman natin ngayong gabi, episode 16, what the future holds for Sam and Clyden, if they're gonna really be broken up, or are they gonna stick? Or are they gonna go back together in each other's arms?
Yeah.
Yes, kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo guys, mag-subscribe na sa Vivo One for as low as 99 pesos lang yan dahil tuloy-tuloy pa din tayo sa #RealDealSeason with Sam, Clyden, and the whole Univergada.
Ang mga kabidas natin ay all in sa #AOTD season. Kaya naman, stream legally, guys, okay? And don't support piracy. because that's also the best way to support us then with all of our shows. And thank you guys for continuing to do so. Panoorin natin ang Avenues of the Diamond exclusively sa Viva One.
Yeah, that's right. Katulad ng sinabi ni Haya, don't support piracy, guys. Stream legally and exclusively sa Viva One. At saka guys, yun na rin yung katulad ng sinabi ni Haya, way of supporting us and other series din. So, manood lang tayo sa Viva One. Subscribe lang tayo sa Viva One. Dahil sa Viva One,
Bida ka dito.
okay. So, punta naman tayo sa usapang AOTV season. So, nabanggit na natin before sa past lives na may mga tinatawag na season each episodes. So, pag-usapan natin, Lance, like mabilis na mabilis lang. Kasi nagmamadali ka eh.
De, basta para sa inyo may time ako.
No. But pag-usapan lang natin because I think lahat naman sila alam na nila yon. Basta share lang tayo ng, alam mo, yung favorite moments natin sa bawat episode para malaman din ni PJ at ni Haya kasi most of the episodes like about us. Yun. Okay, so una, yung hashtag One Roof Season. Ito yung nalaman natin na arranged marriage na tayo. Ito yung nag-move in tayo sa Ligaya House. And ito yung away-bati moments natin. So, mo, ano yung favorite moments mo doon? Like kahit one scene lang dun sa whole first 3 episodes ata yun.
So we're talking about on-cam moments? Favorite on-cam moments?
Yeah.
Okay. My favorite part from that season was yung turning point na nagiging okay na si Sam and Clyden. Yung she's waiting for her mom. As in, lagi kong inuulit-ulit na yun talaga yung favorite scene ko. Up to now, yun pa rin pinaka-favorite scene ko. Yung kasama ko si Summer.
Pero hindi pa yun One Roof Season. Sa Falling in Love yun eh. Falling in Love ka na, di ba?
Di ba One Roof Season yun kasi nag-move in tayo together, magka-live-in na tayo nun?
Okay. Parang Falling in Love. Sige.
Episode, sige.
Okay. Ang favorite ko na eksena doon was, yun yung parang pupunta yung parents ko para i-check tayo.
Oh, yeah.
You're really like, being like a real couple ba? Ganon. So, nagpanggap tayo na nagsistay tayo sa isang bedroom, ganyan. Parang ang dami nating struggle para lang may pakita na real couple tayo. Yun yung fun kasi sa book iba siya, like more on a serious side yung sa book, pero ginawa ni Direk na funny. Like, tayo, kinukuha natin yung unan from another room, yung mga gamit ko from another room, papunta sa bedroom. Yeah, yun yung favorite ko naman doon. Sa naman, yung second, yung Falling in Love season. So, I think yun yung sinasabi mo kanina, Lance. Yung parang, she's waiting for her mom. Kasi dun mo ata na-realize na Clyden is starting to fall in love kay Sam.
Yeah, and yung dinefend din kita kay Charles sa, yung sa episode 3. Yung sabi ko, parang don't you touch her, ganon.
Dito naman, favorite ko dito, siguro yung selosan moments. Selosan. Hindi, kasi dito makikita talaga na, may something na si Sam kay Clyden. Kasi nag-start ko magselos kay Eva.
Oh, grabe talaga magselos si Sam, no?
Oo, si Sam.
Si Sam nga.
Si Sam. Okay. Next natin yung hashtag comfy season. Ito naman yung nag-start na talaga tayo to be comfortable with each other. Like si Sam and Clyden. At dito rin yung birthday ni Sam at yung famous na
Car scene.
iconic car scene. So what's favorite? Most favorite about it?
Ano favorite mo yun?
Hindi, what was your favorite moment? Doon, or scene?
Yun na rin ba yung yung Singapore?
No, not yet. Ay, yun na ba yun?
Oh, comfy season.
Yeah. Singapore also.
Yeah, Singapore.
Wait, did you guys also show Universal or you guys just went there for fun?
We just went there for content and bonding.
Yeah, free day
nice.
kasi namin yun before we go home.
I love that.
Yeah. So, Singapore, sa'yo?
Singapore, favorite ko.
Ako, favorite ko yung, birthday ni Sam. As in, yung birthday ni Sam, kasi kumpleto yung girls. Tapos, Yeah, kompleto yung girls dun. Tapos, sa party lang kami. Ay, wala pala si Yana nun. Pero, ang fun nun kasi, like, iconic yung bawat birthday ni Sam. Eh. Sa bawat books kasi may birthday ni Sam. So, dito napakita siya. Pero, another birthday to. So, iconic.
Grabe,
I mean,
grabe talaga happenings pag birthday ni Sam.
I know, right? Mas favorite ko rin, syempre, Singapore. Because, fun shoot lang. Very light.
Yeah.
Okay, next natin ay yung heartbreak season na. Ito na yung bumagsak na yung Vera family, na yung Miss Des, and yung breakup ng Saklay. More on episode 10. Ako, favorite ko dito, wala. Ang sakit. Hindi, joke lang. Episode 10, yun. Siguro kasi napakita natin yung lahat ng struggles, yung heartbreaks ni Sam. Siguro yung favorite ko. Like the whole episode 10.
Yeah, the level of acting was really challenging that time.
Yeah.
It was so hard.
Okay, last 3 na lang. Yay! Kasi mamadali sila. Woo! Kakahiya
Ay, hindi nga ako nagmamadali. Basta nga para sa inyo may time nga ako.
Really? What do you have after?
I'm in Vietnam right now, Aya.
Wow!
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh my god, I bet the food there is so good.
Have you been here?
No, not yet. I want to.
That's so nice here.
I wanna go there for the food.
And coffee.
Oh yes. Coffee.
Okay. Ang next natin, #moving forward season. Nakita tayo ulit sa hospital because of Abby. What else? Nag-progress yung career natin. And yeah. So ako, I think favorite ko dun sa moving forward, yung parang nagkasakit si Sam, tapos naging way siya na mas maging okay sila ni Clyden. Mas malaman niya yung struggles ni Clyden, and mas mag-open up sila sa isa't isa.
Yeah, same din. Tsaka yung yung unang kita nila after 4-5 years.
Yeah.
Kasi yung grabe yung tension that time. As in, ramdam na ramdam.
Yes. And for the last season, ito yung Real Deal. So sa Real Deal, nandito yung mga yoga scene. What else? Yung Maoy scene ng CHK trio, Clyden Hayes, Calix trio, confrontation scene natin, and the press interview scene. So yan, si PJ. Favorite niya yan.
Yan, nakakatawa yung yoga scene nyo behind the scenes.
Ayun, nandun nga pala sa yeah, ako, yan, favorite ko yung Maoy scene, yung tatlo kayo. Kasi yun talaga yung nagdala nung episode.
How many times did you break character, Obs?
Parang buong eksena, nawawala talaga ako sa character. Every time makikita yun, kasi hindi kinakat ni Direk Tino. Gusto niya makita yung natural na acting ganyan. Every time gumaganto ako, nagko-cover ako ng face, nawawala na ako sa character.
I wish they would show a blooper reel of that entire chunk.
Yeah. Ay, hindi mo pa napanood yung
That
blooper.
would be fun to watch, yeah.
I haven't seen the bloopers yet. I hope they.
Ako rin, hindi pa. Siya, sana pa, may palabas na para makita rin ni Haya pala.
Yeah, and I think that scene was the most free-flowing scene we've ever shot in AOTD.
Yeah. Kasi hinayaan lang kayo ni Direk, no? To say whatever
Yeah.
you want. Pero syempre, pa rin.
I mean, within the character, yeah.
Oo. Yun. And what else? Yun na. Later na yung season finale. Yes, episode 16. So malalaman natin ano bang mangyari. Well, to all the readers, yung fan talaga ng book, alam nyo na yung ending. Pero maybe magbago, hindi natin alam. So kailangan yung abangan yan later. Anong mangyayari sa Clay? Ba sila? Magkakabalikan ba sila? Or talagang magsiseparate na lang sila hanggang dulo? We'll see sa ending. Yun.
We just have a question.
Yeah.
Like, how was it when you guys were preparing for those heavy scenes, especially what was it during heartbreak season?
Sa heartbreak scenes naman, ako, nag-prepare ako that time. Kasi, I remember dun sa breakup scene namin, kasabay siya nung parang pagkamatay ni Naomi. So, as in, yung buong araw na yon, talagang sad lang ako. Siguro preparation ko doon, hindi ko kinausap si Lance. Kasi
Yeah.
oo, hindi ko kinausap si Lance, wala akong kinakausap. Kasi hindi ako yung usual Aubrey. Yung usual self ko na, hindi, pagdating ko sa set, like, nandun ako sa mood ko na, okay, today, heavy scenes lahat, so kailangan ganito lang yung energy ko. What else? Every eksena, I drink water kasi iyak ako ng iyak. And wala, pinrepare ko na yung self ko like a day before pa noon na parang ni-ready ko lang yung utak ko na ito yung mangyayari for tomorrow's shoot, parang ganun. So yeah, ganun yung preparation. And of course, nagbasa akong script. Yan. Ikaw lang.
Well, listening to music really helped me a lot. Pero there were some techniques that I tried, but it didn't really work out. So I was just really present during that scene, and I just didn't lose focus to help me pour out the emotions that was needed. Ayun.
Do you have like a special playlist for?
Yeah, I have in my Spotify account.
Yeah.
Ikaw din ba, Haya? You listen to music pag mga ganyan?
First Sito I did. I had a whole playlist then. But then, I don't know, for Bad Genius, I haven't been able to listen to any songs. Because I think I used those songs so much for Sito. So now, I can't do that anymore as a way to prepare myself. Like, I'll just do it in my head, or just without music now, which makes me sad sometimes because I miss it. But I have to find new songs now because all of those songs were the only ones that I knew that really worked for me. And then I used them so much. So,
Yes. Ako, hindi nakahelp sa akin yung music eh.
right? But before, you used to use music then.
No. As in, never. Yeah, I can't. Kasi nasasabayan ko lang sa...
Oh, yeah. You mentioned this before.
Yeah.
Especially pag may lyrics.
Yeah. Yun. Na-mention ko siya sa sitaw na parang recap sheet natin. Like that.
Yeah.
Last
I remember.
Ganon kagaling na actress si Aubrey, di niya kailangan ng...
Yes.
No
She's
naman.
that good of an actress. And I'm a witness to it. I'm such a witness to it.
Okay. Okay, bago pa tayo magganuhan. Bago pa ako ma-inis kay Lance. Okay, joke lang. Ano naman yung message mo or message natin sa lahat ng bumubuo ng AOTV? Thank you,
You wanna
message.
go first or me?
Oh, you go first.
Okay, so yeah, I would, hindi ako mapapagod mag-thank you talaga sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Avenues of the Diamond, and it really means so much to me since it's my first big project, first lead role. So really grateful for every supporter since day one na hindi talaga tayong iniwan, and hanggat sa dumami sila. So from mall shows to Viva Cafe events to kahit sa mga TikTok live lang natin, sobrang nararamdaman namin ng support ng lahat, ng bawat isa. So we're really thankful for that.
Yes. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng AOTV. Of course, to our bosses. Thank you for this opportunity. Sinabi ko nga before na AOTV ay the buong university series adaptation. Isa siya sa biggest blessing sa career ko now. So I'm really grateful to be part of this. And what else? Grateful ako sa team, sa buong production team kasi inalagaan nila kami ni Lance. At kung paano namin minahal yung character, ganun din yung pagmamahal nila sa amin habang ginagawa namin yung bawat eksena. So thank you. And of course kay Direct Gino, maraming salamat for guiding us, for helping us na mas may pakita pa sa mga tao yung kung ano yung dapat namin ipakita portraying the roles. Thank you to all the cast, yung mga co-actors namin nandyan to help us, to support us. And kayo, PJ Haya, thank you. Thank you for today. Thank you for making time to help us promote the last episode. And of course, thank you sa supporters namin na walang sawang sumusuporta sa bawat ganap namin, mapa-live show or mapa-online, nandyan kayo palagi. Maraming salamat for making AOTD, parang ginagawa niyo sa palakas ng palakas kami ng palakas bawat yung ratings namin. So maraming salamat for making AOTD na nilolook forward nyo every Friday. So thank you at naging part kami ng buhay nyo. Maraming salamat na na-inspire namin kayo portraying the roles and nagbigay kami ng happiness sa inyo lahat. Kasi ganun din kayo sa amin. So ayun, maraming salamat. Yeah, we'll see you sa last episode later. Okay. So, yeah.
PJ and Haya din, Obs.
Anong
Yeah,
masasabi
parang
niyo naman?
napasalamatan niyo naman sila lahat. Siyempre, congrats sa inyong dalawa kasi finally, no, last episode na rin mamaya, bukas, ganun. Nakakalungkot man isipin kahit sobrang saglit lang ng screen time ko, pero alam mo, yung pag iniisip mo kasi last episode na, parang malulungkot ka rin eh. Andun din yung sepangs din eh. Ayun, thank you guys sa support sa mga nanonood sa akin. Walang sawang sumusuporta. Kila Direk Gino for giving me a chance to portray Hayes and sa mga boss natin sa Viva. And ayun. Pati sa inyo guys. Thank you.
I just feel really proud of you guys, and congrats din. I can't believe the last episode is coming out na. I'm sure you guys feel, I mean, you're going to feel very, I don't know, like sentimental or whatever. I don't know, I'm also wondering, like, do you guys feel like you're gonna miss your characters? For sure, no.
Ako, hindi ko pa talaga yung mamimiss kasi magkakaroon tayo ng book 5, di ba? Book 6. So, may chance pa rin ako like to portray Sam ng matagal-tagal pa. Pero siguro mamimiss ko yung moments na talagang yung shooting, yung off-cam, na parang talagang kami yung busy, puro eksena namin, gano'n.
I know. You guys, they were so locked in. You guys were so busy. And, you know, I don't know, like, I'm just very thankful that, you know, a lot of people are loving the show and are really supporting you guys. And you guys deserve it so much. So I'm just so proud of you guys. And even though I'm not in it, like, you know, like, it's still so fun for me to see. And I'm really sad I didn't get to visit one last time to set. But it's okay, because at least I was there like twice. Once or twice.
Yeah, sa pop-up.
Yeah, and it was really fun. I missed you guys. So.
Yeah, we miss you too. And we'll see you sa book 5. Lahat tayo makikita sa book 5.
Yeah, abangan niyo yung nag-iisa kong eksena sa book 5.
Kasi magkita-kita tayo sa book 5.
And book 5, nandyan na rin si Chevy. Let's go!
Partner ni Hayes.
Partner ni Hayes.
Wow!
Ano?
So yun, maraming salamat everyone. So, bago kami maging emotional, let's play a game muna. Madali lang tong game na to.
Okay.
So, ang game na to, it's called Create a Word Challenge. So, yung Create a Word Challenge, kailangan natin i-divide sa 2 groups. So, kami ni Lance, tapos Haya and PJ. So,
We got this.
mangyari, kunwari ako, ito sample na lang. Kunwari ako, magbibigay ako ng first letter. Kunwari, D. Tapos, si Haya, yung counterpart ko, magbibigay din siya ng letter para sa last letter, kumbaga D. So, first letter D, last letter D. So, kailangan paunahan tayo, Haya, na maka-come up ng word na first letter ay D at last letter D. Kunwari, diamond. Ganon.
Wait, there's no limit for like how many letters in one word?
Na.
Oh,
Yeah. And first na maka 10 points. Each. So, magkalaban ni and Haya, tapos PJ and Lance.
Okay lang ba yung 10 points? Parang
Okay, 5. 5.
ilan sila?
Bakit ako?
10. I mean, first to 10 ng bawat group. So, 5 ako, 5 si Lance. Parang ganon.
Okay.
Sige.
Ganon. First to 10 lahat. Okay. Paano magsa-start? Mag-jack and point tayo, Haya. Kung sino yung mananalo, siya yung unang magbibigay ng letter.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, paano ba to? As in, isang
Wait, what are you saying, Jack?
Jack and Poy. Pero isang ganito na lang, like pick. Like that.
Di niya alam yun, Obs. Rock, paper, scissors yung alam ni Hai.
Alam ko lang rock.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, or bato, pick.
Bato, pick. Okay, bato, pick na lang. 1, 2, go. Bato, pick. Again.
Bato, pick.
Okay, you first.
Okay. I give letter.
Yeah, first letter.
G.
G?
G.
G. Y. Gnarly.
Word
Good job. I was gonna say something else.
Word. Kasi, I mean, sa song siya. Ayun.
Yeah.
Bawal pala, bawal name. Basta any word, like from a song or kahit ano, basta no names.
Okay.
Ano naman? Game, next naman. You pa rin, Haya, kasi ikaw yung nanonood.
Okay.
Oo.
We keep going. Okay.
Ano, I mean, you pick.
Okay. So the whole time.
Letter. Yeah. The whole
Okay,
time.
good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, J.
T. Jacket.
C? Akala ko C. I thought you said C.
Oh, T. I'm so
Oh
sorry.
no. Okay. Okay, 2 points for Aubrey. 2 points. Okay. 1, 2, 3, B.
K.
Back.
Okay. Okay, one. Hindi ko naisip. Okay. Are you again? So, 2 and 1 na. Okay.
1, 2, 3, F.
H. Fish.
Good job. Okay, fish. Okay, so 3 and then 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, L.
T.
Lat.
Pwede.
Yeah.
Lat? Lat is a word?
Lat? Last?
Lat.
L-E-T.
L-E-T.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So, 2 and 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, R.
T. Rat.
Rat. Wait, that was like who said it first? You.
I don't know. Sila yung judge natin. Sinong una nagsabi?
From my end, I think Obs said it first.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so for...
I think so kasi from my screen, we said it at the same time. So it was
Oh.
you.
Okay, so 4-2. Okay, last one na lang ako. Okay.
Okay. Oh my god, okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, V.
A. Huh?
Viva! That was good. That was pretty good. Wait, okay, so
Panic
4.
about to choose the last letter. I can't think of anything. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
1, 2. Oh wait, no, I said that. 1, 2, 3, M.
H. Math.
5 points.
Yes!
Everyone wins.
Okay, next na. Lance PJ.
Oh, PJ. Isang ganun lang?
Anong gusto mo? Bato-bato pick or rock, paper, scissor?
Bato, pick.
Okay.
Bato.
1, 2, 3.
Bato. Pick.
Oh, si PJ na. Si PJ.
Okay.
Panalo.
L.
E. Love.
Uy, dapat mabilis yun, Lance, ha? O, sige, one.
Ay, sige, ulit. From the start.
Mabilis
Got it.
magbigay ng last letter.
Okay.
Para hindi ka mag-think.
X.
Y. X-ray.
Pinahirapan yung sarili.
1 point, Lance. Okay, next word. Letter pala.
S.
F.
Stuff.
1. Next letters.
G as in goat.
W. Grow.
Oh, okay. 1.
E.
F.
Elf.
Yeah.
T.
I. Tali.
Oh, pwede Tagalog.
Tali.
Tali. W.
B.
Wake.
B.
Ba?
B.
B, okay. Web.
Wow! Galing! Oh my gosh! Guys, it's time. Woo! First maka 5.
A.
K.
Arc.
Oh!
Ano yun?
Wait, is okay?
K. I said K.
Okay.
Okay.
Arc
Arc?
Tagalog kasing arc. Okay.
Ay, arc ba sinabi niya?
Arc.
Ah,
So Tagalog ba ng arc ay arc?
arc as in Noah's Ark?
It's letter C or it's letter K?
Let me search this up.
It's K, right?
Ay, wait. Yeah, Noah's Ark.
It's letter K, right? No.
Yeah, correct.
It's K. Oh! Galing ni PJ. Okay, 4.
Yeah, okay, good job.
Yeah. Last one for you, PJ.
Z.
O. Zoo?
Zoo.
Oh, mahaba!
Ano ba? C.
Yo, kasi.
M. Cam.
Sabay. Spell
Does that
count.
count? Nicknames for words?
Cam, sabi ko.
Come nga.
Does that count?
Cam.
Come.
That's not a
Come.
full word.
Come. Camera.
Cam.
Camera.
Cam,
No, but does that
C-A-M.
count? Nickname?
Okay,
bawal
ibang
nickname.
word na lang.
Bawal nickname, hindi yung isang cam.
Ay, nako! Ay, nako!
Sorry. Word naman yun ah.
Pero,
Okay, hindi na.
Oo, ibang word na nasistress ako sa'yo.
Ibang word na lang.
Mamaya ma-exit ako dito, magkaroon ako ng...
Okay, ready?
Ha?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
H.
W. How?
Hey, winner, Lance! Ay, winner kami! Yay!
Oh, putik.
Galing. Okay.
May mawala bigla sa live.
Oo, baka bigla ako yung mawala eh. Dati kasi si Jairus nawala. Dati si Jairus nawala, nagjo-joke lang naman siya.
It better not be me.
Okay. So yeah, again guys, para hindi na mahaba yung spills natin. Again, panoorin nyo po ang last episode ng Avenues of the Diamond. Malapit na. Yeah, later, 12 midnight. So malapit na, ilang oras na lang. Hintayin nyo po sana and sabay-sabay po natin panoorin ang last episode. Sabay-sabay tayong kiligin, maiyak, matuwa, iba't ibang emotions po, roller coaster of emotions po later sa last episode. So, I hope na masuportahan niyo po kami. And yeah, mag-join din kayo sa X party later with the hashtags po na hashtags namin. I don't know ano yung hashtags, but later we'll post it na lang para malaman nyo. And ayun guys, yeah, mga kabida, I know na mamimiss nyo ang Univercada at ang AOTD, kaya naman, wag na kayo mag-worry dahil mapapanood nyo na ang books 1 to 3, ang Reign in España, Safe Skies Archer, Chasing in the Wild, and of course, AOTD sa Viva 1. Diba, Lance?
Yes guys, lahat yun mapapanood nyo only on Vivo One. Iwasan po natin manood sa illegal sites kasi masama po yun.
Parang bata kasi masama po yun.
Kasi masama po yun. Huwag tayo sa illegal, doon tayo sa tama.
Tama.
Siyempre, as usual, walang mintis ang saklay from cat and dog moments to endgame moments na. So, talagang madadala ka every time sa eksena ng saklay. And of course, lahat ng Univercada.
Talaga namang OA sa kilig ang bawat eksena. Speaking of kilig, mag-binge watch na rin kayo ng University series from The Reign in España, Safe Skies Archer, and Chasing in the Wild, na available ang lahat ng episodes to stream again on Vivo One, guys.
Yes, that's right. So yun na, that's a wrap everyone para sa last TikTok live namin for our last episode ng AOTD. Mamimiss namin kayong lahat ng moments namin. Of course, sa TikTok live, sa mga events, sa lahat ng naging promos namin. Mamimiss namin yung lahat. And again, maraming salamat po sa love and support nyo para sa AOTD and for Sam and Clyde. Yes.
Yes guys, thank you so much for all the support. No? Siyempre hindi kami magsasawa mag-thank you sa inyong lahat na sa kahit anong paraan kayo sumuporta sa AOTD and sa lahat ng Univercada. We're really thankful for that. And sana panoorin nyo pa rin ulit, pwede nyo ma-binge watch nga yung mga ibang series only on Vivo One. And congrats pala Haya, Bad Geniuses now show. Nag-episode 2 na kayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, congrats on Bad Genius.
Episode pinala to Diba?
Last night. Yes, thank you.
Yes guys, and kita-kits sa book 5 and baka nandun na rin yung magpapatibok ng puso ni Hayes.
Looking forward na ako.
Oh my God, yes! I'm so excited for that.
Me too. Ayun. Yeah, we'll see you guys next book na. But ayun, don't miss episode 16 later po, 12 midnight, only on Viva One, guys. Maraming salamat for joining us sa live. Thank you sa mga nagbigay ng gifts, sa likes, and sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon. Thank you, guys. We love you all. At magkita-kita tayo mamaya sa season finale ng Avenues of the Diamond. Thank you!
Bye everyone!
Thank you, Aya! TJ! Thank you for joining us. Mama,
Yes.
we love you guys. Ay, mag-heart pala tayo. Post.
Oh yeah, of course, our tradition.
Yeah.
How do you... Oh wait.
By screenshot. Okay, yan, wait. Yan, okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's hope someone got it. Because
Okay. Yay! Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Nice
Kayo.
Twitter party. And please stream how you feel. Mag-1 million na ako. Yay!
yes! Love it.
We love you. Thank you, Hi and TJ. Mama. Thank you, Lance. Bye.
Thank you din.